Hi, it's Hannah with WTI.
We recently went camping, and one of my favorite things is to cook hot dogs and s'mores over the fire. These roasting sticks by Briout were so nice to have, and they had so many nice features that made them really easy to use. My favorite is how long they extend out. They extend out 45 inches, which is really nice, not only for me, but for our kids, to make sure that they don't have to sit way close to the fire to roast their hot dogs or marshmallows. They hold up to a pound, so you can see my son is roasting a banana over the fire, and it holds it just fine. It's not too flimsy or about to fall off. Here's a nice gooey marshmallow, crispy on the outside and gooey on the inside. It was so delicious. I also really like the handle that's on the end of each one. It has really nice finger grips and it's easy to hold, and it comes in a variety of colors, and they fold down to hardly anything, so all 12 of them can fit in this tiny little bag. So if you're needing some roasting sticks, Briout has an amazing set. They are so helpful.
But that's just my point of view.